Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade and
Nitro Immortal.
Jano.
Again.
Yeah, man, we are going to do a very good public
Challenge.
You see me? Today, I give $1,000 to anybody who can repeat the alphabet backward. Anybody. Nobody will do, you know. Yeah, we not use it for that challenge. You see me? What's enough? We can start up the challenge. Afternoon, I'm Razablade. I'm doing a public challenge where. Yo, you even hear my question? You even hear my question? I'm giving $1,000 to anybody who can say the alphabet backwards.
Oh, they're chicken out. Look at them. Chicken out.
No. If you use the phone, you're never get it.
That's classified as cheating. So it just look like a you one again.
Afternoon, in general. Watch out, we have $1,000 right or so. I'm not give it still, but guess what? I'm not going to give me $1,000 like that. I do a challenge. If you can say the alphabet backwards, right now. Tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Afternoon, Mr. Bell.
Good afternoon, my boss.
I do a challenge for the public. Are you a teacher?
Yes.
I beg my girlfriend $1,000 just to do this challenge. If you can say alphabet backward, yours.
I'm unable to do that.
Afternoon, my general. As I said, I'm doing a challenge, but here's the challenge. If you can say the alphabet backwards for me, you say you don't want $20 for the thing, here's $1,000. No, you take it out, one at a time. Take it out.
Yo, one hand better than none. Two hand better than one. Yes.
Yeah, come.
Z.
Good afternoon. I'm doing a public challenge where I'm going to give $1,000 to a lucky person. I would love to give just like that.
Hey,
but
KFC.
Yes. But guess what?
Like Deandra.
Yes. If you say the alphabet backwards,
no, sir.
I'll give you this $1,000.
With that. Sorry.
I'm keeping my money.
No,
come. Afternoon, boss.
Yeah,
them boy they are jokers still now. Cause this me I try to give you right now. What's your name? Kenny. Yo, you know your alphabet?
Yeah.
If you can say your alphabet backwards.
Z.
One. No, talk up loud then. The camera one here. Yeah.
Y.
Yeah.
X.
Yeah. No help from them, look at them run. Yeah. Yeah, up. Turn.
W.
Yeah.
Where I cast it.
You have 4 minutes now, so if you are count from A to Z, everybody will catch it, you are going to run out that time.
1 minute left still.
You can't go no further than.
Boy, you have no credit left. Alright, good try. Alright, good afternoon. My name is Jason. I'm doing a video where if you can say alphabet backwards, you get a top. Would I bust up on a gun if you go buy some KFC with the other one cat in here? You have a dirty money? But, still try to take your money from me then. I do it for your fun then. I do a challenge there, but you're the challenger easy now. You're not going to believe. You have to say alphabet, but you have to say it backwards.
That's one.
Look, come on.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can I get your name? Ashley. I have $1,000 give away. You want it? Alright, if you can say alphabet backwards, you get the $1,000.
If you can say alphabet backwards, $1,000.
Get it.
No, we can't do that.
Can't
Daniel, come here.
Try, man.
Can I get your name?
Anika.
Anika. I have $1,000 give away. You want it?
Nagyagi trying not to give me.
Ask if I want it.
Yes.
Alright,
see
so.
the money here, baby. Baby,
Yeah.
see the money here. See the money here.
Alright. If you say the alphabet backwards, you get it.
Next.
KFC, 3 piece. Alright,
case
watch
you
out
know.
now. Alright, good evening. Let me get your name.
Speak up, me can't hear you.
Talented.
Alright, Mr. Talented, you want that, Grania?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You say if you say alphabet backwards, a few.
A female.
Few.
Z. Y. W.
You say if you say alphabet backwards, you get it.
Say Z. Y. X. W. V. U. T. S. R. Q. P. O. N. N. L. K. J. I. H. G. F. E. C.
Oh, yo!
It's bad!
Yo, give a decent congratulations.
Yo, what's it? Hold on. Go, we are doing like a surf ticket. Surf ticket. We're doing like a surf ticket. Yeah, watch out. You get it. You get it.
You go yourself.
You have yourself.
Simple, bro.
Wow.